Franklin County Schools trades programs are Carpentry, Masonry, and Automotive. The Carpentry course, located at our 3 traditional high schools, covers the National Center for Construction Education and Research (CORE) certification modules required for all the NCCER curriculum area programs and an additional green module. This means that students will learn the standardized construction and maintenance curriculum and will have the opportunity to earn industry-recognized credentials. These are the same credentials that many adults in this field will earn. Students completing a carpentry pathway will gain knowledge and skills in many areas, such as basic safety and introduction to hand and power tools, to introduction to construction drawings, to windows and exterior doors installation, to drywall installation. The Masonry course at Franklinton High School covers basic masonry terminology and develops technical aspects of the masonry industry with emphasis on the development of introductory skills to include the introduction to masonry, masonry tools and equipment, measurement, drawings and specifications, mortar procedures, and masonry units and installation techniques. Students interested in brick and mortar will enjoy masonry. The Automotive program is located at Lewisburg Magnet High School. This course introduces automotive safety, basic automotive terminology, system and component identification, knowledge and introductory skills in hand tools, shop equipment, basic servicing, and the use of service information. Students will complete hands-on activities performing scheduled automotive maintenance, testing brakes, electrical systems, drivetrain, and more. As part of the ASE Education Foundation accreditation, topics are aligned to the maintenance and light repair requirements. Students enrolled in automotive courses receive real-world experience that will be useful in an automotive career and/or everyday life. To learn more about the trades program, please visit our district website, speak to a trades teacher at your school, or speak to your school counselor. Come join us.